What's up, everyone? Welcome back. We're gonna mix it up a little today. I picked this thing up for 10 bucks. It has no battery. The wire's all screwed up. So I got this little adapter. We're gonna put it in and get it to run off of our drill battery. Let's see if it'll work. So I just ordered this off of Amazon. I've already stripped the wires on it. It looks like someone did something similar here. I don't know. That's all taped up, so let's untape it, see what's underneath it. Alright, so under that yellow tape, there was red tape, and under that red tape, there was a wire that was attempted to be soldered. Alright, so we got all the wires stripped. I've kind of opened them up a little bit so that I can intertwine them, and I already put my heat shrink on. It comes with this little wire connector. You can just shove the ends in there and lock it down. I don't like that. So I'm going to interlace these and twist them together like so, and then I'm going to get that soldered up. I got it all soldered. Now I'm just going to use my heat shrink. So I got a couple little screws. I'm just going to find a place to mount it in there where I can take this battery on and off with no problem. Right, so I chose there. I already put the fuse in it, so let's see if our battery goes in. And our seat. Perfect. Let's see if it'll move. Okay, this thing actually freaking scoots.